Something doesn't feel right. Oh boy. Oh, Stephanie. No, it's in here somewhere. Yeah. I think that's a lot better now. Do you guys like my Christmas decorations? I think they're pretty cute. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this trend I've been seeing going around called cold girl makeup. I don't really have enough makeup to really like make it the exact trend, so we're gonna try our best and see how it goes. First things first, we're gonna get started with a fresh base. I already wore this makeup to church this morning and I don't want it to be like old makeup when I go to the party, so we're just gonna put on a fresh clean face. You know what's not fair? I have bought like 3 or 4 clear sparkly lip glosses and I have lost every single one. How do you ask? I don't know. They're lost in like all of my purses, so I'm sure if I clean out my purses, that's probably the right idea, but do I have time for that? I decided not to take off my mascara because, look, it's waterproof and I'm more than a conqueror with Jesus, but that is not a battle I'm willing to face today. I'm gonna get started off with the basic Clinique Even Better Glow foundation, which usually I think for this look you're supposed to be going for matte, but my whatever this is called, powder is matte, so it evens out. I always shake this thing because sometimes I don't wear makeup for like days at a time, so I don't know how long this thing has been sitting for in its own chemicals. So I just want to mix them up just to make sure they're not like, you know, weird or something, or poisonous. They wouldn't be poisonous. I don't know if you guys knew, but I started work at Chick-fil-A because, praise the Lord, it is a Christian establishment. Literally the, what is it? It's like the business goal or like the business motto kind of thing. It's literally to be good stewards and like to glorify God with their work. And as soon as I read that, I was like, I chose the right place to work. Yesterday was my 4th day and me and this one girl were on front counter together. Oh, gotta get the neck. And there was this little boy that came up and he was a little cutie pie. And his dad looked down at him and was like, okay, buddy, what do you want? And he looked up at his dad and said, I want a burger. And his dad said, they don't have burgers. And then he goes, but I want a cheeseburger. And the dad was like, no, they don't got cheeseburgers. It's like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited for Christmas. Hopefully you guys are too. I have been binge watching every like PG rom-com that's Christmas themed there is on Hulu. I've kind of moved into Netflix because I wasn't watching Netflix for a little bit. I just watch a whole bunch of different things. Honestly, I was scrolling through all of them the other day and I was like, oh, she doesn't have a bakery. Don't want to watch it. Doesn't go to a small town. Don't want to watch it. I'm just looking for that same plot line. That's all I'm looking for. Although there was a couple that kind of took me off guard. Sorry, I know I've been doing this for a long time. I'm just trying to make sure all the holes are covered. Or there's not holes in my face. Except for my nose and my mouth. Anyways. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. makeup mist and set. It doesn't say anything else but that on the bottle. It's kind of finicky, to be completely honest with you. It like feels very cheap. Like, yes, it is cheap, but usually e.l.f. has pretty good quality stuff. So that's why I bought it. But honestly, I need to go get the NYX one that Abby has. I'm not sure the exact kind she has, but I'll probably get like a matte one. But it sprays pretty good. At first it was like squirting out at me and I had to fix it. We're about to put some Fit Me powder on that's looking rather rough. So matte plus poreless. All right. I usually start just under my eyes very lightly because that is right under your eyes is the thinnest part of your face, if you wanted to know. Looking good, looking good. How we looking, fam? Okay. Now for this one part of the face. I don't have blush. My face gets naturally red, So I wasn't gonna use any, but I'm gonna try to use eyeshadow. No promises how this is gonna go. I don't know. I might look like a clown. We're gonna look like a clown together if you do this with me. I don't know how big of a brush you're supposed to use. I should probably follow one of Abby's tutorials, but here we are. These little things, they're like that big, so I'm just gonna, yeah. I've never put blush on before. There's like nothing getting on this brush. I think I chose the wrong brush. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. Let's try a different brush. All of my brushes are dirty. I really need to get one of those little matte things that suction cup to the sink. Okay, this one is also large, round, and circular. Just gonna, yep. That's looking promising. Okay, I can see some color now. I'm looking like a cold girl. Oh, I'm using Juicy on the Urban Decay Cherry palette. BT dubs. Okay, that's cute. I might start doing that. Not to school though, that's too much. Okay, this head looks really good. Maybe. Oh, okay, when you look at it straight on, you can tell. Now is the time for the sparkles. I don't have enough eyeshadow palettes to really give you that sparkle. So we're just going to use a combination of the like more wider colored sparkles in both of these. There's this like skin color shade in the cherry palette. I think I'm gonna start by doing that. Just so like my eyes are both like all one color. Okay, why are we getting pink? We don't want pink. Maybe we could use this for my eyelids. So it's gonna be like sparkle on sparkle. At the tree. Oh no. Okay, that's like brown. We don't want brown. Okay, honestly. Oh, that's like white. I don't know if you, yeah, that's like a white. That's okay. We're just gonna put it on there. We're going to use this broken highlighter I got like 4 years ago that's definitely expired by now. Oh, we're just gonna put it on there. But you can tell my cheekbones are a color. I look tan. I'm supposed to look white. Okay, and do a little nose highlight because, yes. And then the bridge, as we do. I don't see a difference. So, you probably can't even tell either because you're like not that close to my face. Okay, here's what we got. Does it look different? I couldn't see because my eyes were closed, but I trust your judgment. This is sparkly lip gloss. No, I don't want to put lip gloss on my eyes because then they'll be like stick. Adventure time. Okay, while I was rummaging through my things, I found another old broken highlighter and my Kylie lip gloss. Chloe, you want to come join? You do? Okay. All right, here's Chloe. Do you like makeup? You can smell it. Don't play with it though. Okay, I'll let you go. We're gonna try to put this highlighter on my eye too. And then, like I said earlier, I already did my lashes. Okay, I'm gonna call it quit on these eyes. It'll be fine. Also, I don't do my eyebrows because I plucked them and they look good enough. Honestly, I look like a glazed donut. I think that was the goal. So, we hit the goal. Okay, period. Now, I'm gonna wipe off my lips so I don't look like a hooligan. This is my tried and true Vaseline lip therapy. Okay, this is the final look and with natural light. Honestly, I like this. Hi, Chloe's tail. Honestly, I like this a lot. I was not expecting to like it this much, so I will probably start using that eyeshadow as blush. It's so cute. It's so cute. And honestly, the eyes are not as sparkly as I wanted them to be. I wanted them to be like in your face, sparkly, pow. Oh, Chloe. But the eyeshadow is not boom, pow in your face, and that is okay. I still really like this look on me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this. Have a great day and Merry Christmas.
Well, that's the tea.